Howdy team. The other day I got a brief from a designer um, and I had to build this website in Kadence, and I just didn't know how to fit the footer in this picture in the footer, and there was no clear answer I could find on YouTube or anywhere, and I was just struggling for days and I just didn't know what to do until I eventually came across this one little hidden section. And I know it seems like misleading and I should just have found it, but it was bloody hard. So let me cut this short. So all you do is you go to footer. Once you go to footer, this is in the general section. So remember not to click these ones here that I'm highlighting. So in the general footer, you go to the background, and this is where you put the image in. But remember, you put your color and whatever you want to have in the background, then you put your image, and that's how it is. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully I've solved some of your solutions. So thank you very much, and this is Creative Solutions Oz. Cheers.